Hello. Are you concerned about this drought that we're in here in Arizona? My name is Eli Hall with AMS Landscaping, and I got this great tip sheet from the Arizona Landscape Contractors Association on just how to address some tips on what we can do to hopefully mitigate as much water use as possible. We're right now in a tier 1 water shortage with the Colorado River, which means water reduction by, I think the Cap Canal, I believe, is like down by 30%. There's probably other places where we're cut, but we're not cut as far as the water to our faucets. So, but with that said, we should all be very conscious of what we could do to, mitigate a lot of usage, just because costs will go up as we go into higher tiers. Choosing native and desert adaptable plants is always a great thing to do. Limiting your turf areas, if you have large turf areas, if you can decrease them in size or get rid of turf areas that are like little strips that are not as useful. Like maybe, sometimes you'll see like a strip of turf between a sidewalk and a street. If it's not necessary, if it's not user friendly, it's a great way to reduce water usage by just converting that to, some sort of desert scape, whether it's granite or artificial turf. Conducting regular water irrigation system inspections, making sure that there's not water getting wasted in any way, shape, or form. There's also, you can go through your irrigation and use more advanced techniques for irrigation, like using a rotator sprinkler, which uses significantly less water than your traditional pop-ups. You can save a lot of money doing that. Also replacing emitters as they get old, and if you have trees, young trees, as the trees mature, if you cap the emitters near the trunk and add emitters towards the tree line, it'll actually be better. And if you're watering longer with your drip, so instead of watering maybe every day for an hour, maybe water every 3 days for 2 hours. So you get a deeper water, which gives strengthened roots for the tree, and you're also using less water. Which is just another great technique that can be used to really improve the health of your landscape. If you have any other questions, or if you want help with possibly doing some of these changes to your home, please contact AMS Landscaping at azlawns.com. Also subscribe to our YouTube channel and follow us on Facebook at AMS Landscaping, and check us out on Twitter and Instagram at AZLawns. Make it a great day.